Welcome to this detailed overview of Ally Bank, one of the most talked about online banks in the industry. Today, we'll examine its services, features, and any hidden pitfalls in its terms of service. Whether you're a beginner in online banking or just looking for a fresh start, this video will give you everything you need to know about Ally Bank. First, let's talk about advantages. Ally Bank offers a zero monthly maintenance fee on checking and savings accounts, making it a go-to choice for cost-conscious customers. The bank also boasts high-yield savings accounts with competitive interest rates, often above industry standards. With no physical branches, Ally channels its savings into better rates and fewer fees for customers. Another major advantage? Their customer support is available 24/7 via chat, email, and phone. Next, Ally's checking accounts shine with no minimum balance requirements and unlimited ATM fee reimbursements at over 43,000 all-point ATMs nationwide. Ally even supports early direct deposit, letting you access your paycheck up to 2 days earlier. But no bank is perfect. Let's cover the disadvantages. While Ally's digital-only model works for most, those who prefer face-to-face interactions will find the lack of branches a downside. Another drawback is their fee for outgoing wire transfers, set at $20, which can add up if you frequently send money abroad. Now, let's dive into costs and fees. Ally Bank is largely fee-free, but beware of overdraft fees if you exceed your balance multiple times in a day. However, Ally does offer tools like overdraft transfer service to minimize such costs. In terms of reliability, Ally is FDIC insured, meaning your deposits are protected up to $250,000. Their mobile app also receives high ratings for ease of use, featuring tools like goal-based savings and budgeting. In summary, Ally Bank delivers exceptional value for those who embrace digital banking. With minimal fees and top-notch customer service, it's an attractive option. However, its lack of in-person banking and fees for wire transfers might be a deal-breaker for some. If you're considering switching to Ally, make sure to review their terms of service yourself to ensure it fits your financial needs. Hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to stay informed about the best banking options for your lifestyle. See you in the next video.